Wipeout, but skateboards.
Body.
Before Carlos is completely dead, let's try the handrail.
All this ruckus the other day, this is what you were like doing?
Yep.
What the heck is this?
It's a skateboard rail.
Nice. I went back there and I saw like a few skateboards sawed and like I saw a bunch of tails and noses just on the ground. I'm like, what's going on here? So this is what you're up to.
Yep.
Sick.
All right, Fetty, run us through this. How'd you build it? What is it?
So I chopped the nose and tail off of 4 skateboards, and I used 2x4s to put it all together. Oh, and screws. There's also skateboards inside the fabrication.
Really?
See? And I also hand sawed it myself right here. See this? I hand sawed this part right there. See that?
Wow.
Yeah, and hand sawed that one too.
Majestic.
Well done, Fetty.
So the goal for me is 50-50 on
Hold up,
this.
hold up.
One of them was Nigel's old board.
What's the goal?
Goal is 50-50.
Ooh. And then put it on the handrail and
For
make
Carlos,
Carlos board slide down it.
Might as well. I mean, I do all
We can
the-
even just like put it on the 3
It's
stair.
not even bragging, but we all, especially you and me, we do the dumbest stuff just to show it's possible and never try this at home, guys.
Hey, Dan, get over here. Wow. Wait, is it weird?
It feels weird, but it feels normal.
You think I can do it?
I think you can.
Do you think I'll break it?
No.
Should I try it?
Yeah.
Just, bless it, Let me give it a shot.
Try. Make sure you're ollie on top of it.
On top, like before?
Either before or like if you ollie here, make sure it's on top. See,
Or that happens?
He came at it sideways. He didn't ollie on top.
All right, I'm gonna do it. Wow.
Yeah, I think for front side you have to skate it like this way. See how it leans to one side?
Yeah.
I understand the physics.
Physics. Hey, hold this. I'm gonna borrow your board. It does work.
This is weird not having the handle on the camera.
I know. Let me
It's
get
like
it.
weird. I am the worst filmer.
I'll take this back. Before I ruin the video with my terrible skating, I'll give that back to you. That feels really weird. No way. Oh! Oh, you gotta hold on to that, Dan. It's very weird because of the 2x4 sticking up. You gotta like lift up at the end. Yeah, Dan! What? Whoa! Carlos, you're looking very explosive today. You wanna try backflip?
Yeah.
Do it. What's stopping you? Oh, that all the way collapsed. You just 5-0 it? What was that? That was sick. Oh, bodied. There you go. Wow. Oh!
Wow.
What? No way. Who's got the front tail? No way. No way. Yeah, I think you're better off going this way, dude. Huh? I don't know. Wow. Okay. I stand corrected. Wow. Oh! Just 180 out. Pivot your way out. Let's go. Hit that heel flip board, Los Litos.
I haven't done this in a couple months.
Looked like you were gonna break your ankle. Wow!
skate?
Dan, what did you do? Wow. Whoa, keep it going, keep it going. What was that?
Oh my God, I want to just back 50 it, but that's scary too.
Bodied.
I got an idea for a trick. Jump on, Los. Yes! Oh! You got it, Dan! Let me get a trick, let me get a trick, let me get a trick, let me get a trick.
For this
I need to get a trick. I'm itching, I'm itching.
I am too big for this rail. And so is Carlos. Body. Yeah.
You broke the board in half.
Body.
Wowzers.
We have a body alert here.
Can't tell where it's worse, the skateboard or my body.
They don't call it bodied for no reason. As you can see here, this is the epicenter of the bodying.
The
Then
integrity of the whole thing is awesome because it didn't break off the 2x4s, but
it did break you though.
yep. Are you not surprised?
A multiple body count today.
This is why I
This
don't.
is probably the 7th one. Oh, I would like to try Wally's.
Hi!
Oh, hey.
So I walk away for 2 seconds and you break something. What?
What?
Hi.
Worked better than I thought.
You gotta get more than this, Fetty.
Ow!
Whoa.
Wow.
Man, the episode of everyone just getting bodied. Wow. Uh-oh, that grip. Oh, no.
It's just a mark of the board.
Put the last in the trough.
What am I doing?
Wow. Whoa.
It's been a long day.
No, I've never seen a board snap like that. It may be the first time I've ever seen a board snap in half that way.
I actually thought the 2x4 snapped. I didn't know the board was the one that actually did.
Man, that's crazy.
Oh, there it is.
Dang it!
Done, hit it.
Oh, come on. It's like Wipeout, but skateboards.
I don't know how much more I can take right now.
Bodied. Wait, so before Carlos is completely dead, let's try the handrail. Crawl it out, Carlos, crawl it out. Oh!
That was kind of sick.
Woo! Let's just do some measurements real quick. Can you get that other side, Fetty? Thank you very much. Whoa. No, but you think you can, it's like big enough for you to actually hit?
Yeah, I got it.
These are the moments I live for.
What scares me the most is this part.
Oh, wow. So up close, it looks like nothing, and then you go far away and it looks like death. But you got it, Carlos.
Let's get some respects in the chat, though, for this craftsmanship.
As nice redwood rail. It has support beams on the left and right, and as well as an adhesive tape that we hold it together. If you somehow miss your board, this will catch your feet and make sure that you hit yourself where you don't want to.
Oh, way too slow.
You scared me, Los. He went to ollie over it and then just went for the board slide.
Okay, might as well just go for it, dude.
Whoa!
Woo!
He hit the wood.
Yeah.
Did he?
The
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, you did.
Do I have to do it again?
No.
You don't have to if you don't want to.
One more.
You got this, Los? The world's first skateboard handrail. You know, I just got a crazy idea. There's hot dog on a stick. What about skateboard on a stick? Carlos, are you okay?
Last try.
Yahoo! He was supposed to wow, but he did a wow.
No, he did a yeah, but he needed that yeah.
He was on there like teriyaki on rice.
The teriyaki goes on the chicken, not the rice.
What? I put it on everything.
Yeah.
Can I go home now?
Just sit down, Carlos. Just go
I
take a
got
rest.
like the last body was the worst one of today.
The thing literally is like taller than
It's like
you.
nipple high,
Like
dude.
stand right next to it. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I was like had to really pop to get on that, dude.
Yes, you did.
Couldn't even like rocket your ollie because like that last try I hit the wood and just. Dude, I'm tired of seeing flash of light. I think I've seen Jesus like 16 times in the last like 3 months, dude.
Me too. He was wearing a snapback.
Well, that was the world's first skateboard flat bar, which then turned into the world's first handrail made out of skateboards. My mind is blown. So that was the beautiful craftsmanship of our very own destructive force, Fetty Potter. If you guys enjoyed that and want to see more, let us know. But there's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and learn how to skateboard. Go to brailleskateboarding.com for all of your skateboarding needs. Anything you can ever need is right there at brailleskateboarding.com. We'll see you tomorrow.